One of Roger's biggest fans is Zoey, a sophomore lacrosse player and a proud member of the RWU community. Roger Williams has 24 NCAA Division III sports, 7 club sports, and numerous intramural offerings. And with these come the fans. What's going on, Zoey?
Thanks, Alex. While on the hunt for the perfect school, I looked for an institution where I can continue my academic and lacrosse career, as well as experience a sense of school pride. I needed a school that was bursting with energy and where everyone felt safe and at home in. And that was Roger Williams University. It was easy to sign my letter of intent to play on one of the university's many varsity programs as a women's lacrosse player. But that's not all. I found myself being able to balance being a varsity athlete and being able to participate in one of the school's 7 club sports. It was a no-brainer that I had to be on the national championship women's D1 rugby team. Being a student athlete at a D3 university not only allows me to continue playing the sports I love, but also to excel in my academics. After class, I'm able to hit the pool, the squash courts, and the gym anytime I want. All I have to do is check the university app and check for availability. My favorite part of the rec center is the Hawk's Nest and Hangout. You will always find me drinking a smoothie and dominating air hockey. I can go on about how many ways students become part of the Hawk family, but once you step on campus, you truly believe it. The amount of times my friends and I have played midnight disc golf after exams or attended games and events to get free stuff is exactly why I chose RWU. I was terrified of going to college. That's why I put such an emphasis on going to a school that was student-run, because that's a school that has something for everyone. I'm looking forward to what my future holds, but all I know is that always it's a great day to be a Hawk. Throwing it back to you, Alex.
It is a great day to be a Hawk, and congrats on the championship, Zoey. Speaking of championships, Roger is home to a #2 nationally ranked sailing program. Staying active is important for physical and mental health. No matter what you choose, there are tons of ways to get up and move at RWU.